Guys, it's your boy again with another banger, another little short video for you guys. But today's video is going to be basically about changing the oil on my car. So I know it is late at night too, but you gotta do what you gotta do, you feel me? So I'll guide you guys like step by step on the process of the oil change and such. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'll give you little tips here and there, and then that's basically gonna be it for this video. The next video you guys have to stay tuned, so don't forget to subscribe so you guys can see my videos first, and hit that notification bell so you guys can also be the first one to like, share, comment, and whatever else you guys want to do. So yeah, man, so let's go ahead to the video, and then I'll be showing you guys. So alright guys, so we're in the process of changing the oil. 2018 Camaro SS. Where's the fucking oil? There it is. Nice and black. I'll show you guys right now what I got for oil and the oil filter. It's gonna be on the other side, so it's gonna be on the left side of the car. So yeah, we'll go ahead and let this drain, and then I'll catch you guys then. Not gonna lie guys, kind of claustrophobic down here, but yeah man, it's almost full. Hopefully this little thing can hold up all the oil. Forgot to mention guys, when you guys drain your oil, make sure your dipstick is out. Make sure you have that popped up, and then you have your oil cap to fill in off, so that way it can let air in and drain the whole thing faster, and a little bit more of the whole oil. But go ahead and put the bolt back on. I'll show you a little bit if I can about the oil filter. I am going to use some gloves for some extra grip, and then I'll put a little bit of thread lock on the bolt, just a little extra security. Hopefully nothing happens. Cross your fingers, but it should be good. You know what I mean? So yeah man, see you guys then. All right guys, so we got finished with the oil, put it in, check the dipstick, so everything's good. So I used Castrol Edge high mileage. My car has 50,000 miles. Full synthetic, and it is SAE 5W30. So make sure to get the right one for your car. There's the rest of the oil on the filter. Go ahead and start it up, and this joint, start it up. Okay, there you go guys. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and drive it a little bit. I'll bring it along with me, and then also, so right here it says change oil soon, hood open, whatever. You're gonna dismiss it. Now for you guys to actually save yourself some research once you watch this video, you want to know how to turn off the change oil code. You're gonna want to you're gonna be on a regular, like as you're driving, and then you're gonna want to go to these arrows right here. You're gonna want to go down. You can see right there, it's gonna go down. You're gonna go down all the way to the oil change code, which is down right there. Sorry about that. Then you're gonna want to click right. You're gonna want to click right. Once you click right, it's gonna say reset. All right guys, so you guys can see right there, reset. So you want to go ahead and click that. It's gonna ask you, are you sure you want to reset? You're gonna click yes. You're gonna use the select buttons right here. You can click select or okay for in other words, and there you go guys, 100%. And yeah man, it'll tell you once that's your engine oil life, so that way you can change it once you get another code. But other than that man, let's go ahead and get some little driving. I'm gonna take it easy for like the first couple little runs, and then I'll probably do like a little pull. But I am gonna let it sit right now, see how it's doing. Go ahead and check the dipstick again, once again, just to double check the oil's good. And then once I double check that, then I'm gonna go ahead and drive it. So catch you guys then. All right, guys, so let's go for the drive. Close my windows real quick. Hold on, let me clean my camera real quick. But yeah, guys, so pretty straightforward. Oil change on a 2018 Camaro SS. You guys want to do it to your car? I mean, the only problem that I think you'll have doing oil change is like going under and stuff. But if you have a jack and stuff, you can jack it up. I mean, obviously with the lift, that'd be sweet. But we cannot do that, so we don't have a lift. Anyways, yeah, let's go ahead and go down the street over here. And we are on touring mode, guys. So far, so good. Car's running great. So yeah, the oil change is pretty straightforward, guys. Your type of oil you want to put, and yeah, man, that's pretty much it. It's not that hard. Some people think it's very hard, you know what I mean, but it's pretty straightforward. So guys, also what you guys want to see, comment down below other things you guys want to see on my channel. That way I can give you guys that content you guys want to watch as well, you feel me? So stay updated with me too, man. Keep me updated what you guys want to see. Racing, more how-to videos, how to do stuff for like your car, anything, you know, just let me know. But yeah, man, I'm driving the Camaro SS Super Sport, you feel me? Running like a champ with the new oil change now. It's really great. I'll slow down this curve right here because sometimes there is cops, but tell nobody now. Anyways, yeah, guys, it's pretty good. Going down the street right here, and then on our way back, we're gonna do a little pull. Feel me? On this speed now. It's still dark where I live. Sorry about that. It gets dark really early. Soon time will be changing. Upload more daylight time videos, and have better content because I just doing a good upgrade on my camera. But yeah, actually right here, this little thing right here, bus stop, I don't know what it is. A couple years ago, I remember a Lightning Ford pickup truck, whatever. I guess they maybe like, I don't know, they're racing, whatever they're doing, but they ended up all the way right here, and freaking rear wheel was like all freaking slanted in, stuff smashed in. But yeah, man, go ahead and put it in track mode. Then take off the traction at a first gear. You guys ready? Well, that was unexpected, guys. Fucking G-force in this thing. It's crazy, guys. So yeah, that tells you how SS Camaro runs, man. This thing is a fucking beast. Shit just went flying up to my face almost. But yeah, that didn't hold my phone for nothing. I need to get a better one. Go do a little pull right here. Alright, guys, so that's gonna be it for this little drive right here. Alright, guys, so we're gonna be seeing you till next video. Stay updated. Like I said, comment down below what you guys want to see on the future videos. Anything you guys want to see, make me upload. I'll make it happen for you guys. Try my best. It's not too hard, but yeah, man, this is gonna be for this video. Pretty straightforward. The oil change, you can do it yourself at home. Like I said, you just need a jack, a couple little tubes, and I mean, you'll be set. You feel me? So yeah, man, so don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment down below on the video what you guys think. Also, like I said, what you guys want to see. And yeah, man, I'll see you guys till next time. It's your Mr. SS 6.2 liter baby fat, and I'm out, guys. So have a nice day, nice night actually. And yeah, man, peace.